Let's talk about knotgrass. Great for inflammation, great for kidney disease, great for fatigue, great for gum disease, kidney stones, all kinds of things. It's free and no side effects.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now.
Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Well, let's talk about knotgrass. This is not to be confused with Japanese knotweed. That's a total different thing. Grass grows all over the United States and all around the world. It's a weed. You're probably walking on it every day. You're probably pulling it out all the time in your yard. But it has an amazing effects, and it's free, and you don't have to buy anything unless you want to, and it has no side effects whatsoever. Lots of antioxidants, lots of studies about this amazing herb, really great. Helps with fatigue and parasites, inflammation, kidney disease, kidney stone, gum disease, arthritis, and on and on and on. It really is amazing. It's also called Polygonum avicular, Polygonum avicular. And lots of different common names, from knotgrass to knotweed to macgrass to pinkweed to bird's tongue to sparrow's tongue, all kinds of pigweed, all kinds of different things. There's about 100 different common names. But if you live in a moderate climate, more than likely it's growing in your sidewalk. Like I said, it grows in all temperate regions around the world. The leaves and the stems are used, and it can grow between 40 and 10 centimeters tall, and it's around footpaths and trails and along the sides of the road, everywhere. It's a powerful antioxidant, lots of polyphenols and lots of flavonoid compounds, also anti-aging compounds in the way of those type of things. Also, lots of studies with animals showing that it actually is a powerful antioxidant compound. Lots of good things that happen with chronic fatigue also, and fatigue in general. It'll boost up your ability to get around and you'll feel better. Helps to get rid of inflammation of the your neural system in general, so you feel better. And it kills intestinal parasites without causing any problems whatsoever. So if you have, flatworms, roundworms, all kinds of different worms in your intestinal tract, you might want to start taking some good old knotgrass. It's really great. Now you can go out and pick knotgrass yourself and dry it inside, and then chop it up, put it in your blender and chop it up, and get it, find it kind of coarse, and you can make tea with it and make, tea bags with it. Or you could put it into capsules and make capsules with it. Or you can buy it online also. It's really easy. Also helps with kidney disease and lowers blood pressure, helps with burning urination, and it's a good diuretic, and in general helps with inflammation of the kidneys. Also, you could boil 1 teaspoon of the knotgrass for 20 minutes and then take that 3, 4, 5 times a day. I recommend taking it for about 7 to 10 days, then taking a break about a week and come back and taking it again. It also relaxes the bladder. If you have a hard time going to the bathroom, this will help you to be able to urinate easier also. Great for the lungs, contains a lot of silica in it, which helps to reinforce the lungs, parenchyma, and so you can, have better quality lung fascia. Also helps with bronchitis because it's anti-inflammatory, so that's a great thing too. And also helps to get rid of mucus and phlegm and that type of thing. So wow, a free thing that helps with that. We're coming into the cold and flu season here also, and other things, as we all know. And so this helps in a great way, and it's free. And a lot of people, need money right now, and anything that are free is really great. Also contains a lot of tannins and phenolic compounds like you find in green tea, lots and lots of great antioxidants, just a long list. I'm not even going to get into them here, including quercetin, which is a powerful one. Also contains some essential oils in it, and lots of vitamin C. It can also be used as a septic agent. You can take one of these capsules and open it up and put it on your face. If you cut yourself shaving, it'll stop the bleeding right now. Also great for the GI tract, also helps with colitis and IBS and Crohn's disease and things like that. Very anti-inflammatory for that area. Also helps with diarrhea. You know, you take the tea 3 times a day or the capsules and it will help in a great way. Also great for the heart and lungs in a great way because it prevents atherosclerosis in the body. So, you know, you don't get hardening of the arteries. And studies show that it helps with cancer because of all the anti-tumor agents in it and also the antioxidants in it, which help to slow down the progression of cancer. More studies are being done with this, lots of studies. And it's a good diuretic. If you're holding on to that water retention, you know, this time of the month, you might want to take some Knotgrass. It really does a great job. Also great for hemorrhoids. If you have hemorrhoids and, you know, they're the external type, you can take a 4x4 compress and moisten it with a tea and place that on there and pat it on there. It's an astringent. It will dry them up and help to get rid of those nagging, terrible hemorrhoids that are painful, I'm sure. Really not good. Also helps with kidney stones. It's one of the best. Also with Stonebreaker. Stonebreaker is my favorite for kidney stones, but also this also helps in a great way. Studies were done showing that it was very effective in May of 2018 for helping with kidney stones and dissolving kidney stones. This is also antibacterial, antifungal, and helps to restore balance and fights off infections in your GI tract and everywhere in the body, and fungal infections like Candida. Take it for no more than 7 to 10 days. Take a week off, then come back and take it and also take probiotics because it's killing off bacteria. Anti-inflammatory, as I said, for the whole body and also for the trachea, which is a hard thing to get any kind of inflammation away from. So if you have, inflamed trachea, you want to take some Knotgrass for sure. Also a good detoxing for the body, help to get rid of, toxins in the blood, toxins in the liver. Also a great expectorant and also helps to get rid of, like I said, phlegm and mucus, so if you have a cold or a flu. Also good for gum disease. Not as good as tea tree oil, but it really does a good job. Studies show that they took 60 male participants and gave them an oil rinse of Knotgrass 4 times a day, twice a day, and then they found that they really had a lowering down of their amount of gingivitis, so it really does work. Also helps with arthritis, anything that helps with redness and swelling and pain and that type of thing. It really helps a lot, and because of all the antioxidants there. Also, great for bladder inflammation. So if you have bladder inflammation, you might want to take this also. Great for the skin, helps with collagen production and elastin production, helps with wrinkles. I have a few here, but that's about it. And also age lines, helps with PMS and painful periods, help because of the anti-inflammatory agents in it. Good for wounds. You can actually get it in an ointment and put it on your wounds, and that will really, it's an astringent process and also gets rid of the inflammation and kills bacteria at the same time. If you have a nosebleed, you take some of the powder and put it in there, and right now it stops the bleeding. It's like, wow, amazing. So some of you have persistent nosebleeds. That's something to remember. Also, the leaves are edible, and in Vietnam they use it as a regular vegetable. You can actually eat the leaves and the stems and chop it up and put it in all kinds of soups and stews and that type of thing. It's also been used as an indigo dye, a blue color, which is natural. Also, the dosage is pretty simple. 1 or 2 teaspoons of the dried cut up herb in a cup of water. Add some really hot water and let it steep for 15 minutes. Drink 1 to 3 cups or a daily, or 4 to 6 grams if you're going to be taking it as capsules. So capsules are easy to find. I have found them online on Amazon and eBay and other places online. Some of your health food stores will also have it. They also have it in tinctures, and you can actually take the herb, take about a good amount of the herb. I would say, 3 or 4 tablespoons full, and put it in a small glass container. Add some vodka. Fill the container to the top with vodka. We'll let it set for 8, 10, 14 days. The longer you let it wait, the more the tincture will get stronger. And you can use that from 3 to 10 drops daily, and it will be really good for getting rid of inflammation. Take for 7 to 10 days. No real side effects of any kind. Thank heavens. Something is free and no side effects, but I don't recommend it for those who are pregnant, nursing, or small children. And we don't really have any interactions with any medications of any kind too, which is great. Also, you can find it in tea bags sometimes also, which is really great. Also, it's really inexpensive. You can get a 4-ounce package of the dried herbs itself for about $14, which will last you a long time. And they go up and down in price. You have to find which one that you like yourself. So if you really want to make a difference in your life, try some Knotgrass. Knotgrass in capsules and tinctures and extracts and all kinds of things, tea bags, and it will make a difference for sure. And if you have questions about it, feel free to get a hold of me at 831-869-9119, 831-869-9119. And you can check out my new book, Live a Cancer-Free Life. 3 out of 5 people are coming down with cancer, and you don't have to go there. You can Google it, Live a Cancer-Free Life. It'll come up right away with my name there, and you can download it as a Kindle, or you can order the paperback. It's a quick read, and even has recipes in there, ways that you can actually lower your chances of coming down with cancer by 1,000%. There's no reason to have cancer, and we can lower your chances in a great way. If you want to do a consultation with me, ask for a $50 donation. Let's get rid of your disease. Let's make that your Christmas present this year. I think it's about time. And so get a hold of me. My contact information is at the end of the video and down below. Have a great day. Remember God, and remember, I love you.